Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options here, and welcome back to my channel. And again, as you guys can see, we thought that the market will take liquidity from this zone, as I said, above yesterday's high, and then the market will move down, right? And the market did move down, but if you see, the premium hasn't really moved, right? If I could show you guys the premium chart, and you can also go ahead and actually see it, the premium chart, 43,900 at this point was somewhere near 290 rupees, and by the end, it has just come down 60 rupees at 234. So even for a moment, right, how much points is this? If you see, it's like 150 points. Premium has just moved 60 points, right? Just 60 points for a 150 point move, right? Which is actually less for an ITM option, right? Since 43,900 was an ITM option, it should have at least given you, like, at least around about 100 rupees, right? Or even 90 rupees is fine. But premium hasn't really moved, and that is because if you see, the futures haven't really moved. Futures haven't gone down so much. That means maybe market might again go up one time and then start moving down, right? And now what you can do for tomorrow, and the best scenario for us will be if market opens with a gap up, right? Anywhere in with a gap up from 44,001, 160 or 180 till 44,000, anywhere in this range, if market opens with a gap up, then we'll again look for a shorting opportunity. Why do I say so? Is because I'll show you guys a scenario from previous days over here, right? If you see over here, markets went up, there was a red candle over here, markets opened with a gap up, and we again saw a sell off, right? So definitely there are still chances of a breakout failure. Now we've gotten a red candle over here, so the best thing for us would be if market opens with a gap up, right? Where, as I said, anywhere with a gap up below 44,000, below 44,200 is fine, right? If we open with a gap up anywhere over here, even at, let's say, 44,200, then we'll start seeing price action again in 5-minute chart, right? If we see price action like today over here, markets went down, made a lower low over here. That is when we'll go ahead and take an entry, and our stop loss will be max to max 100 points, right? Because if selling has to come, it will not wait for anybody, and it will, probably not even hit your 100-point stop loss. It will go down very fast, right? So as I said, any sort of a gap down below, below 44,200 till 40, gap up below 44,200 till 44,000, we want this to happen, and that is when we'll go ahead and take a short position. You can also look out for short positions if, say, there is this trend line also coming over here, right? I don't actually, there was a trend line. I think it was from this high. Yeah, if you see, there is also this trend line coming in that you can take into, take into consideration. And if, say, the market again comes up, from here and breaks this trend line, and then you are still not seeing good buying coming in, even then you can look out for taking a short position over here, right? Now that is for bank nifty. If we open with a gap up, if we open flat, we'll do nothing because there is a support of 43,880 over here, right? So maybe market might open flat and start moving down, and you would take a put, right? Thinking that, okay, market has broken this swing over here and broken its yesterday's low also, now market will go down, and that is the best place where market could trap you and start moving up. Where can we go ahead and buy? 43,800, right? 43,800 to 43,700, this 100 points range, look out for it, and also look out for this trend line. If the market is going down over here, and if market is trying to break this trend line, and as soon as it, say, breaks this trend line, or trades just below this trend line and then again reverses from there, you can still go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. But again, wait for a little bit of price action. At least wait for a 5-minute candle to close bullish, and then you can go bullish from there again till 43,950. That will be your first target. Or you can even wait till 44,000, but 43,950 will be the best. And then, market could again consolidate in this range. So it will be best to, square off your position at 43,950, right? Now, that is for bank nifty. Again, if you open with a gap down somewhere near 43,800, then the first 5 minutes will be very important. As I said today also, now the first 5 minutes will be again important tomorrow also. If we open with a gap down, and once we break the low of the first 5-minute candle, then also you can go short, because we are opening straight up at 43,800. So if the buying has to come, you will see the first candle green itself. right? You'll see buying coming in at the first candle only, because big institutions don't wait for anyone, right? If they see that the market has come at their price and if they want to buy, they will not wait for you. They'll just go ahead and buy, and you'll first candle itself you'll see something like this, right? Or maybe a small candle, but yeah, you know, you get what I mean, right? That will happen. So if we break the low of the first candle, then you can also go ahead and take a short position. Your first target will be 43,600 and second target will be 43,500, because I think markets could also go, you know, trending from even over there, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see Nifty, again, as I said, Nifty is a bit too far away, and so that's why, you know, you cannot take a short position as of now in Nifty. But again, we were expecting that market could go from here and then start moving up. And again, our stop loss did get hit, but I also said that keep your quantity less over here. Do not go with full quantity over here, right? But anyway, no problem. Sometimes stop losses also do get hit, right? And again, also one more thing, I also did try to take a short position in 43,800 call, and I just have 111 rupees loss because I tried two times, right? Once if I could show you guys, just give me a sec. I'll also tell you guys about my position and then we'll talk about Nifty. I don't know why this is, yeah. If you see, I'll go into the 5 minute chart and show you guys where exactly I took positions, right? Now, if you see my first time, the first time that I took position, you know, was I think, just give me a sec. Yeah, over here, right? Over here, I took a position when I saw that market is, you know, again taking resistance after I wanted some sort of a price action to be made. And that's why as soon as market bounced up from here, I took a, you know, short trade over here. But my small 20-point stop loss got hit over here. So again, no problem. But then I again took a trade over here, right? In this candle over here, if you see 44,046, right? Yeah, and then I took a trade over here and markets did go in my favor. But you know, when I saw good buying coming in from here, I squared off my trade over here and then, you know, pretty much booked a small profit in the next trade. And so I'm going with just 100 rupees loss, right? But my target, if my target would have gotten hit in that, you know, option, then I would have made like something like 7,000 rupees. So always keep your stop losses small. It's okay if you take stop losses, but keep your stop losses small, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see, talking about Nifty in the 15-minute chart, now for 19,380 is an important level, right? So what you can do over here, one thing that you can do is if Nifty breaks 19,380 and then starts coming up again, because there is this trend line also, right? So if Nifty breaks 19,380 and then you see a very big wick on the downside, wait for a candle closing. Do not enter just when the, you know, when the candle is being made. If in the 5 minute chart after opening flat Nifty goes down, makes a candle and then closes above 19,380 again, then we'll go long from here. You can go ahead and take a long trade till 19,420 or 440. In this 20-point range you can go ahead and book your profits, or you can even hold till 19,460, right? So that is a trade that you can take in Nifty if you open flat. But again, keep your quantity less. At least my bias is still on the downside, right? When will my bias change? When Nifty will, you know, maybe go above 19,500 or Bank Nifty goes above 43,400, 44,300 and all these levels. So until then, I'm still a bit bearish, because if you see Nifty has broken this trend line also over here, right? And still the buying that is coming is not really good, right? If you see such slow buying in the market, that means there are chances that this breakout might fail. Both in Bank Nifty also, if you see in Bank Nifty also, this trend line broke, you know, and then just see, right, after breaking the trend line, why is the market still going down? So I'm still a bit bearish over here. I'm still not going bullish as of now. But yeah, again, if there is any change in my view, I will let you guys know in another video, in the coming videos, right? If we open the gap up, say over here, right, 19,430, 440, then we look for shorting opportunities from 480 to 440 in this 40-point range. Because what Nifty might do is go up over here, maybe show some sort of consolidation over here, and then, you know, drop down from there, right? So if you see, if we do not see good buying coming in over here, then I think you can again go ahead and take a short position. But the best thing to do would be taking a short position in Bank Nifty and not Nifty, because Nifty might hit your stop loss by going up and then coming down, but Bank Nifty is a bit more weak than Nifty, so that's why we will focus on Bank Nifty if we want to take a short position. However, if you open with a gap down, then we can do nothing because there are multiple supports in Nifty. So we'll just let Nifty, you know, go for the day and like not trade in Nifty for the day if we open with a gap down and just focus on Bank Nifty, because if we open with a gap down in Bank Nifty, there is a pretty good setup that is waiting for us on the downside. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.